Today we're going to be checking out the HEYBIKE Villain electric dirt bike. This thing is super nice. I can't wait to check it out. Of course, got my homie here helping me out. And for the low price of only $1,400, this bike is actually one of the fastest electric dirt bikes out right now.
First impressions, this thing is actually super smooth, picks up speed really fast. Look at this. Like, wow, this thing mobs. Holy moly, it just hit 42. I have no idea how that thing just hit 42. I mean, this is a 52 volt bike. It's not a 48 volt like most of the other mini bikes that are out on the market right now. And it's got good torque too. And guys, the brakes on this thing, the brakes are dialed. This thing is a 52 volt, 26 amp hour. Goes up to 4,160 watts peak power. A nice front suspension, nice rear suspension, nice Shinko-like tires, really high quality front light. You can tell they didn't skimp on it. Really nice dirt bike pegs. Got a nice grippy seat, nice brakes as well. The most unique feature about this bike, it's got this red dongle that you can pull and the bike completely shuts off. All right, boys, we got the HEYBIKE Villain out here at the Hollywood sign. We're about to go explore the beautiful area of Hollywood. I'm about to show you guys around. This place is absolutely beautiful. This thing is powerful, 52 volt mini bike. This thing is awesome, bro. Let me do a little, you know what I'm saying, a little circle for you guys. That made me dizzy. Homie Abel, y'all remember him from the Ultra B video? He's on his classic 79 bike. All right, guys, this is a walking trail, so, you know, we gotta be respectful. We can't disturb anybody. Sorry, guys. We're just trying to see the Hollywood sign. Of course, we could do a little bit of bipping. But my homie told me that he went all the way up the Hollywood sign, like actually went on the sign. The cops just like pointed a light at him and told him to leave. Dude, I want to do that so bad. If we could do that, that'd be so much fun. I've genuinely never been on this trail before. No idea where I'm going. I just looked up a video on YouTube, see if we can figure it out. Dude, imagine living here, bro. Imagine every single time you come out of your house, you see the Hollywood sign. Hey, yo, I think we gotta get through here. Okay. Yo, you got this? I do not. Yo, we went the wrong way like idiots. Ah. Okay. Yo, he trying to dance like Michael Jackson. Pardon me. You guys happen to know where the Hollywood sign, like the trail to get to the Hollywood sign is?
You have to go around the...
You got that? What up, Mario? Gotta do another little like circle jerk. That was sick. I'm really trying to get onto the sign, dude. But do this one in the middle. Full pin, you got it, bro. Pin, baby, full pin. Doesn't believe I can do it, bro. Watch, guys. I'm about to prove to you guys that this is light work. Dead ass. I did not want to do a backflip. How do you ride over there, bro? Is that all you or what, bro? Bro, that's all you. That's all you. Come on.
She's busy, bro.
Bro, she's busy, bro. She ain't busy.
Try your bike.
Don't be a bitch. Bro, she's pretty, dude. Oh, come on. Excuse me? Hi, my friend has a question for you.
Hi. We saw you, we were coming down. We saw you, and we were like, oh my gosh. Like, do you have a boyfriend? Let me get your number.
I don't give my number.
Oh, why not?
Sorry.
Well, how about Instagram?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about, bro. All right, guys, we on the Falcon 79 bike. What up, mama? What up, guys? I remember this now. Wow, guys, look at that view right there. That is crazy. We're about to get to the Hollywood sign right now. This is actually a beautiful walk. It would be a really nice hike to go on, but we're taking it on the bikes, and this would probably take us about like an hour, maybe 2 hours walking, but on the bikes, this took us around like 5-10 minutes, bro. This took us nothing, and we didn't even try to get here as fast as we can. But guys, e-bikes are straight cheat codes when it comes to, you know, exploring and stuff. You guys gotta get you one of these. Look at this HEYBIKE right here.
I like it.
It's nice, isn't it? It's super smooth. Woo! We made it to the Hollywood sign, baby. This is it right here. Woo! Look at this. Bike life. We in it right now. Guys, look at this, the Hollywood sign, bro. We literally saw it just down there. Guys, y'all see that building in the red right there? That's where I parked, right over there, bro. We are all the way over here on the HEYBIKE Villain. This just proves that the HEYBIKE Villain can do anything you want it to, bro. Steve-O jumped off of that dam right there, bro. Steve-O? Yeah, bro, Steve-O jumped off of that thing, dude. Bro, not again, bro. Not again. Bro, what are they doing here again, bro? Damn, guys, I'm chilling at the Hollywood sign, bro. This is a beautiful view right here, bro. Time to get back. Hey, yo, what are you doing, bro? Yo, this is my bike. What are you doing, bro? Yo, you are not taking this bike, bro. Yo, chill, bro. Yo, see how you gonna take it now, bro? What the yo. Guys, what the hell is this right here, bro? Yo, why is there a picture, bro? Like, who is this? Yo, guys, by any chance, do y'all know who this is? Bro, who is that, bro?
Like your pops.
My pops? What the? I don't know why it's up here, bro. Bro, like Red Dead Redemption 2, I just found like a lost item or something. By any chance, would you happen to know who this is? Like, who is that? Why is that up here?
Did you find it up here?
Yeah, I just found it right over there.
Maybe she fell down.
Oh, really? It's probably a memorial or something,
Yeah, exactly.
huh? Guys, who is this? Who is that? What is that? No idea. What is that? Why is this here? Like, why is this just sitting up here at the Hollywood sign? Look, there's another one, bro. There's another one. Right there. May she rest in peace. As we're saying goodbye to the beautiful Hollywood sign. You guys are in Los Angeles. You guys gotta come check this out. I actually love this bike. I've had a lot of mini bikes in the past. I've had a 2TO, I've had an E-Box Dragster, I've had the Anyland bike, I've had the Yasma IN10 Pro. I've had a lot of mini bikes. And this thing, I'm not gonna lie to you, it reminds me of the Anyland a lot. It has a really smooth power band and it feels really good just riding the bike. That's what it reminds me of. And the fact that this bike is 52 volts compared to most of the budget mini bikes that are out, they're all 48 volts. So just getting 52 volts is already much better than most of the other bikes that are out on the market today. It's around the same price as like a Yasma IN10 or a 2TO. This thing goes 45 miles per hour, which is extremely impressive. A lot of the budget mini bikes that are out, they only go about 35, probably 40 miles an hour, but this thing goes 45 miles an hour. And it has this nice safety feature right here for the kids, which is honestly a must. I feel like a lot of these bikes should have this. So it makes it a lot safer so people don't get as hurt, because that's just one huge problem about these bikes, is that these kids get hurt on these bikes a lot. Oh, you got it. This is definitely one of my favorite mini bikes that I've had so far. One thing I would change about it is just like this fender right here, bro. I feel like if you upgrade these fenders, this bike is gonna look a whole lot nicer. What do you think, bro?
Yeah, it was a little short.
Yeah. I feel like I'm in GTA 5, bro. This feels like Franklin's neighborhood right here. It's like we're in freaking like The Hobbit or something. Top 3 things I like about the HEYBIKE Villain. Number 1, I like the way this bike looks. At first when I saw the bike, I'm like, oh, you know what I mean? It's yellow, it's just another mini bike. But as soon as I got it in hand, guys, this yellow pops. Number 2, the speed on this bike for a little mini budget bike is incredible, bro. 2TO could dream of doing that, bro. One of the fastest budget bikes that you can buy that's under 1,500 bucks. Third thing I like about this bike, I would have to say it's the suspension and the overall feel. Love the power delivery. It feels really smooth compared to a 2TO or a Yasma. Rough. It's like a rough power band, but this bike, it's really nice and smooth. Can I fly that kite? No way! This is sick! Thank you guys so much. You got the Arctic Leopard? What's up, bro? What's your name?
Jason. I've met you before.
Are you the guy that has the cats?
Yeah.
Yo, it's been so long since I've seen you, bro. It's actually easy to push you. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Why did I decide to go to LA, bro? Still got a little bit of battery, but it's on mode 1 right now, so I'm trying to just conserve it. Basically what happened at the ending there is that my bike died. We were riding for about 25 to 30 miles. I was pushing it the entire time, trying to keep up with my friend that had the 79 bike, so I was going fast. I was going like full throttle almost the entire time. And guys, we're almost at 40K. 40 freaking 40,000 subscribers. Like, bro, holy crap. That's a lot of people, bro. It's super hard to like show all my excitement right now because I got excited about it last night. I was super hyped. Seeing my subscriber count, it's like 37.4. I'm like, what? It's just unbelievable. Genuinely never even would have thought I would have gotten to this place. So you see other people that, you know, they have 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers in their first year and they're going crazy at it. But me, dude, I never even would have imagined I would get 10K. Yeah, I did. At the same time, it's just still so unbelievable, bro. Like, I can't believe that I've even reached this point where I'm at right now. All this hard work has been worth it lately, bro. It's just like going to the gym or practicing a new trick. You try over and over and over again, keep going, you fail a million times, and then you eventually get it and you start to see some progress. That's exactly how I feel right now, bro. I feel absolutely amazing. It's just such an unbelievable feeling. Thank you guys so much. We're about to hit 40K. I can't believe it. I love you guys so much. To all the people that actually like watch the long form videos. Of course, I do a lot of short form videos, and 90% of the people that are subscribed are from the short form videos. If you watch the long form and you actually like stick around and get to know me and stuff like that, I actually genuinely love you, bro. But of course, if you did come from the short videos and you're just subscribed because of the shorts, that's all good too, man. I love making that type of content. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.